Ah, just another regular day here in the city. In this video, I wanna cook some food. Okay, what should I make? Wait, what's that? And how? Wait, what is this? How does that work with it? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. It's just to move in with Grandpa, I guess. But I still wonder why that did happen. I think I'm gonna do it again. With Grandpa this time. Okay. My grandpa lives here. In the small apartment down here. Oh, Grandpa is working in the kitchen. But I can do it myself. It's no problem with that. Do it just by myself, I think. Maybe. We can. Yeah. And with this reaction. Oh. Ouch, that hurt. I need to go inside and just say sorry to my grandpa. The house still holds up. No, it doesn't anymore. Okay, I need to go away from here. Here. Nice. Wait, guys, I wanna test how it reacts in this house. Like, this big explosion. Let me backwards there. Can I open it yet? Yes, it's openable. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this reacts. Ooh. Oh my god, that was so epic. Wait. Oh, so cool. Man. That's one of the coolest things I ever seen. Yeah. Where should I break now? I want to see what that radioactivity is. Maybe in this house. Wait, what? There. I think I need to take it on the outside because it can explode very, very much now. Okay. Wait. Oh no, it's leaking radioactivity. Wait, I need to see that from the inside. Oh no, it's leaking out, it's leaking out. Bro! That's just gonna keep flowing. And drain the whole house? No, it can't be. Ah. Okay, it started to stop. Okay, it stopped. No, nothing more. Wait, in here, I want to place down as many I can in this room, but not too many, cause then it's gonna get hard to shoot everything. That would be cool. I can't wait to see this, how it turn out to be. Okay, I think I need to stand right here, and instead of use my pistol, I'm gonna use my pipe bomb. But what the fuck? Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. Oh my god. It's drained. Okay, 2. It has survived. Okay, now, oh my god. This is not good. Oh. This doesn't look good. Okay, I think I need to leave this house, maybe. Oh shit. Oh. I don't think this guy wanna have radioactivity on his whole house, man. And wait, I want to place radioactivity here, 2 on 1. Throw pipe bomb, but I missed. Okay, one more try. One more. But what the hell? Now, man. Now we get in somewhere. Okay. Oh, that's looking nasty. Ew. I'm gonna throw this ragdoll into here. See what's happening. Nothing, like, he doesn't react anything yet. But if put a little more, maybe. Wait, does it stop if you, I don't like that. I'm gonna put some more here to test. Yeah, try to survive that, man. Oh, wait, what the? Man. Okay, I'm gonna put one more there and one more. No, not explosions. Of these. Now it getting like, what should I call it? Drained of, like, I don't know what it is, but chemicals or something. We can see that. Shh, don't say it to anyone that I shoot the guy. Okay, what should I do now? What is a glare? I only used this like 2 times, I think. Okay, oh shit. That was cool, maybe. Oh my god. How long can this... Wait, did it go through? It did? Only off click? Just imagine how long this fire. Wait, can you, if you're flying and wanna dodge the ground, can you do like that? Oh, you can. This reminds me of like action games like Fortnite or Overwatch, something like that. Oh, sorry. Oh, it maybe could hurt a little bit. Oh, really? Radioactivity in here. Oh, man, just leave this shit. Oh, Oh my god, it's spreading fast, man. It's like a zombie virus or something. If I do it like that, yeah, it's leaking out. I can do like this. I think everyone died there. But the only thing I want to say here, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I want you to subscribe, and thanks to you that have been me now. But see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.